It's math time, everybody. We've been counting to 100 every day, so you're getting really good at that. Today, we are going to count way higher in a song called the Big Number Song. So go ahead and join in.
Numbers, 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 numbers.
Okay, friends, that brings us to our learning target today, which will guide our learning together so we know exactly what we're aiming for. It is very similar to yesterday's learning target. It says, I can identify shapes that are divided into fourths. So let's unpack this learning target so we understand it better. We're going to identify, and we said identify means name. So we're going to name shapes that are divided into fourths. Yesterday we talked about this word divided. Okay. Friends, when something is divided, like this piece of paper, if I was going to divide this up, I would break it into pieces or parts. So I would tear it, cut it, okay, into parts. So I just divided the paper, and I might want to divide it to give you some, to give other people some. So when something's divided, it's broken into parts, okay? So we're going to identify shapes that have been divided into fourths, okay? Yesterday was halves. That was 2 pieces. Today is fourths. So let's just say that I came to your house with a pizza, and you were at your house, and your mom and your brother. So there were 4 of us, and we were going to split this pizza, right? So 4 people, me, your mom, and your brother. If you don't have a brother, just think about a sister or another family member in your house, right? So I say, I'm going to give you guys a piece. I'm going to split it into 4 pieces. So I cut it up here. You get this part. Your brother gets this part, your mom gets this part, and I get this part. Is that fair? Have I divided or cut this up equally so we each got an equal share? If you think we all got the same amount, show me a thumbs up. If you think, no, Miss Carlson, we did not get the same amount, show me the thumbs down. Let's see. Right. That's a thumbs down. We did not get an equal share of that pizza. I didn't share with you equally. All right. What about this way? If I cut it up this way, would that be equal shares? Yes or no? All right, I see a lot of friends saying, no, Miss Carlson, that is not equal shares. All right, what about this way? You get a piece, your mom, your brother, and me. In this pizza pie, do we all get an equal share of it or the same amount? Yes or no? I see some of you saying yes, yes, yes. Right, so we each got an equal part of this pizza. I divided it up into equal pieces, the same size, and there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of these is called a fourth. So fourths is when a whole thing is split into 4 equal shares or fourths. Each part is 1/4 of a whole. You can also call them 1/4. So right here, I'm going to try my best to trace this. This piece right here is called 1/4. It's not a whole thing, it's a part. And we write it this way. 1 with a horizontal line and a 4 underneath. So this piece is called 1/4, or you could call it a quarter. Okay, a 1/4 or a quarter. So when we're dividing something into fourths, we need to have 4 parts that are the same size. So we're going to play the yes or no game. As we go through these, if you think it is divided into fourths, you show your thumbs up. If you think it's a no, show your thumbs down. Just like yesterday, except today we're doing fourths. So let's take a look at this one. Yes or no? Is it divided correctly the right way into fourths? Let's see. That's a no. Let's try another one. Yes or no? Let's see. That is a yes. Each of these pieces is an equal share. Take a look at this one. Is that a yes or a no? That's a no. I want to know, why is it a no? Why is this not divided into fourths the right way? Let's pause and see what you think. Good. We said it's not divided into fourths the right way because the pieces are not the same size. How about this one? Is this divided into fourths the correct way? Think it's a yes or a no? Good. That is a yes. This triangle is divided into 4 smaller triangles, and they're all the same size. That's kind of cool, huh? What about this rectangle? Is that a yes or a no? Very good, friends. That's a yes. How about this rectangle? Yes or no? Very good. That is a no. It is not. Why not? Let's pause to hear what one of you have to say. You are correct. That is a no because the pieces are not the same size, although there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not the same. What about this one? Is this divided correctly into fourths? Yes or no? The tricky one. That's a no. Why not? Let's pause. Right, that's not divided correctly into fourths because there are only 2 pieces, not 4. How about this one? Yes or no? Good, that's a yes. You're getting good at this, friends. So now it's time to practice in our Google Classroom. Our Seesaw. We're going to go ahead into our activities. And you are going to find the activity called Math, Fourths and Not Fourths. Let's listen to the instructions. Watch the learning video if you are not live in the Zoom lesson today. Then click on the green Add Response button. Use your hand tool to move the shapes into either fourths or not fourths. Click on the green check when you're done. Okay, so we're going to be using our hand tool again to move some shapes. Okay, so as we can see here, we have a T-chart. We're going to be dividing into groups. Okay, we're going to be sorting. So on this side is that thumbs up, that fourths, and this side says not fourths. That's the thumbs down. So you're going to go ahead and move these shapes into yes, it is fourths correctly, or nope, that's not fourths. Did I put this one in the right place? Is this in the not fourths? What do you think? Yes, or is it not right? Yeah, that's not right. This one is divided correctly, so that would go into fourths. So you're going to go ahead and finish all of these on this page here, and then you're going to click that green check, and you will be all done. Go ahead, get started.